Rent tax credit. Hi, this is Pádraig here from Boyle Payroll Project Management, Ireland's premier payroll provider for small business and first choice tax agents for PAYE workers to claim tax credits and complete their income tax returns and many more services. www.bppm is the website. Today I want to bring you through the process of claiming tax credits for rent paid during a previous year. I also have a few nuggets scattered through this short video, so please keep watching. Claims for previous years relating to any year after 2022 tax year must be made on your income tax return for the year in question. To do this, sign into myAccount and click on Review Your Tax. Enter the tax year you wish to claim for. Click on Request Statement of Liability if you have not already done so. Scroll down to complete your income tax return. Proceed to the Add Tax Credits screen. I am not going through the process of getting to your tax credit screen here, as you can refer to my previous step-by-step videos for this. Continue to the tax credit section in the You and Your Family section. Click on Rent Tax Credit and work through the claim process as shown in the step-by-step guidance contained on the following screens. You must first indicate if you were claiming the tax credits in respect of rent you have paid for a property which was used by you or your child. You will be asked to confirm that you are not a supported tenant and that the landlord is not of a type which is outside the scope of the rent tax credit. Questions may differ depending on your answer to previous questions, so you may not be asked the same questions as your friend or neighbour. For example, it is not possible to claim the rent tax credit if you are a supported tenant or the landlord is of a type detailed on screen, and you will therefore receive an error message advising you that you are unable to proceed with your claim if that is the case. Where the claim relates to a property that is used by your child, you will be asked additional questions in relation to the child's age and participation in a qualifying third level education being an approved course. You will be asked about your tenancy agreement and to provide the address including the air code for the property. You will be asked to provide the name of the person you made the rental payments to together with the amount you paid. The system will then calculate the credit due. Congratulations, job done. Keep an eye out for our next video and don't forget to hit that subscribe or follow button for Boyle Payroll Project Management, and also join the group Payroll Matters in Ireland to ask a question and keep up to date with all things payroll and PAYE related. For example, the rent tax credit has been extended in its current form for a further 3 years to the end of 2028. The rent tax credit RTC is provided for in section 473B of the Tax Consolidation Act 1997, TCA 1997, was introduced by Finance Act 2022 and may be claimed in respect of qualifying rent paid in 2022 and subsequent years to the end of 2028. The rent tax credit has played a valuable role in providing financial support for renters right across the country. For the years 2022 and 2023, the rent tax credit was valued at a maximum of €500 for a single individual and €1,000 for a jointly assessed couple. For the years 2024 and 2025, the rent tax credit is valued at a maximum of €1,000 for a single individual and €2,000 for a jointly assessed couple. As announced in Budget 2026 and is provided for in the Finance Bill of 2025, the rent tax credit is being extended in its current form for a further 3 years to the end of 2028. Therefore, the credit continues to be valued at a maximum of €1,000 per single individual and €2,000 per jointly assessed couple. Thank you for watching. See you next time.